Welcome to Intellectual Media, your trusted channel for business, accounting, and finance education. In today's lesson, we are going to explore one of the most important topics in financial accounting, which is bank reconciliation. So, bank reconciliation is a process of compromising the balance shown in the company's cash book with the balance shown in the bank statement. So, identifying the difference and adjusting them to get the correct cash balance. So this topic is very important for students, accountants, business owners, anyone who manages money because it helps prevent errors, detect fraud, and ensure accurate financing reporting. In this video, I will explain why difference occur, how to prepare a bank reconciliation statement step by step, the common adjustments, and provide practical examples that will help you understand it clearly. So stay with me, subscribe to Intellectual Media, and let's begin learning bank reconciliation in the simplest but most effective way. So bank reconciliation is a statement is prepared to match the cash balance in the company's cash book with the cash balance in the bank statement. So because of timing difference and errors, the two balances are often not equal. So reconciliation is very essential. So in short and precise way, bank reconciliation is the process of comparing the bank statement balance with the company's cash book balance to identify difference and prepare a report that shows the correct adjusted cash balance. There is a correct cash adjusted cash balance ይህ ማለት በድርጅቱ ባንክ አካውንት እና በባንኩ መካከል ያለውን የካሽ ባላንሳችን ዲፈረንስ ባላንስድ የሚያሳየን ሂደት የባንክ ሪኮንሲሊየሽን አለ። When bank reconciliation is helps to detect errors, identify unrecorded transactions, and prevent fraud and keep accounting records accurate. Why bank reconciliation is needed? So bank reconciliation is very in order to help us to identify errors made by the bank or the company. So someone easily identify errors made by the bank or the company. ስለዚህ ስህተቱ በድርጅቱ ወይም በባንክ የተሰራ መሆኑ ኢዝሊ አይደንቲፋይ ለማድረግ ይጠቅመናል። To detect fraud or unauthorized withdrawals. In order to control, there is prevent fraud, so detect fraud or unauthorized withdrawals. So bank reconciliation is essential. To update the cash book with missing transactions. So identify unrecorded transactions. So simply used to identify unrecorded transaction to ensure correct cash balance is reported in financial statements. That means keeping accounting records accurately መመዝገባቸውን የምናይበት ሂደት የባንክ ሪከርድ ብለዋል። What are the common cause of difference? There is a common cause of difference. Those common cause of difference become there is an outstanding checks. Outstanding checks means a check issued by the company but not yet cashed by the bank. ስለዚህ ካምፓኒው ቼኩን ኢሹ አድርጎታል በት ባንኩ ምን ካሽ ወደ ካሽ አልቀየረው። Another common difference is there is deposit in transit. Money deposited by the business but not yet recorded by the bank. So someone deposits such amount but the bank cannot be recorded those deposit amount. And also there is a bank charges. Service fees recorded by the bank but not yet recorded in the company's books. And also there is a direct deposit means bank makes deposits or withdrawals directly. For example, loan interest rate that the company does not yet know. And also there is an error. Error is where mistakes in recording amounts by the bank or a company. Why difference occur? Difference ለምንድን ነው occur የሚያደርገው? There are three main ideas that is difference becomes occur. There is the first one is there is timing difference. Timing difference like that of deposit in transit, outstanding checks, there is a timing difference. There is bank transactions not recorded by company like that of bank service charge, interest income. Those are bank transactions not recorded by a company. And interest direct deposit customers pay directly to the bank. Like that of direct deposit customers pay directly to the bank, and errors like that of cash book error or bank error becomes there is a difference. So bank reconciliation has its own format. The first format is there is bank statement balance which are deposit transit. are deposited, their effect is R to bank. There is R to bank, and there is less outstanding checks that is subtract from bank, and there is plus or minus bank error. That means correct on a bank. There is bank makes an error, but there is a correction or remedial action when someone that can be those error amount becomes understated or overstated. So based on their understated and overstated, the bank error becomes added or subtracted. So finally there is adjusted bank balance. And on the cash book balance, in the cash book balance there is add direct deposits. That means bank collected money. When the bank collected money and less bank charges, their effect is also their subtract. And there is standing orders. There is standing orders also, like that of someone insured with insurance. There is standing order, and add or less book errors also, book error, and there is non-sufficient funds, bounced checks also subtracted. But there is incomes, interest income, direct deposit, cash book errors. Those are becomes added under a cash book balance. So finally we will do adjusted cash book balance. So both adjusted balance must be equal. Both bank statement balance and cash book balance becomes equal. So bank statement balance, under the bank statement there is deposit in transit minus outstanding checks plus bank errors. There is adjusted bank balance. Whereas in adjusted cash book balance, there is cash book balance at the beginning plus direct deposit, like that of customer payment, plus interest earned minus bank service charge, less standing orders minus not sufficient checks, and plus cash book errors. There is an adjusted cash book balance. Let us see an illustration, simple illustration. There is a given balance on June 30, 2024. So the bank says showed overdraft for the big 63,500 TB. On the cash book shows debit balance 52,200. ስለዚህ እዚህ የባንክ ስቴትመንቱ መጀመሪያ ላይ ምን ተሰጥቶናል? 63,500 ተሰጥቶናል። cash book shows debit balance 52,200 TB. There is an additional information from transaction 1. A check of 9,700 TB deposited was dishonored but not recorded in the cash book. And the second transaction is standing order payment for rent 8,000 TB appears in a bank statement, and a check issued for 12,600 TB was recorded as 12,060 in a cash book. And the transaction for the bank charges 2,750 TB appear only in the bank statement. And also transaction 5, there is deposit in transit 40,500 TB. And outstanding checks 22,900 TB. In transaction 7, the bank credited company account with dividend income 6,300 TB, not in cash book. So transaction 8, bank recorded an incoming transfer of 31,200 TB as 30,200 TB, bank error. So the company recorded cash deposit of 5,550 TB, TUS, error in cash book. So recount illustration. There is an adjusted bank statement balance. Start with a bank overdraft, which is negative 63,500, and add items that increase the bank balance. Add bank error in transaction 8, which should be 31,200 but bank recorded as 30,200. ስለዚህ መኖር የለበት 31,200 የነበረው ባንኩ 13,200 መዝግቦታል። ዲፈረንሱ 18,000 ነው ማለት ነው። ባንክ ኤረር አድ እናደርጋለን። there is additional add deposit in transit in transaction 5 14,500 አድ እናደርጋለን። there is also add dividend in income in transaction 7 6,300. so less items that reduced in bank balance. there is outstanding check in transaction 6 22,900 ያስቀመጠውን outstanding ቼኩን እንቀንሳለን። ዜና adjust bank ባላንሳችን 47,600 overdraft ይሆናል። ይሄ በባንክ ነው። adjusted cash book balance when start with this cash book 52,200 ነው። ዜና adjustment less dishonored checks in transaction 9,700 dishonored check ነው እሱ። less standing order for rent ለክራይ የሚከፍለው transaction 2 8,000 እንቀንሳለን። ባንክ ቻርጅ ባንክ ሰርቪስ ቻርጅ ትራንዛክሽን ፎር 2750 እንቀንሳለን። ለስ ኮሬክሽን ኦፍ ቼክስ ኢሹድ ዛት ሚንስ 12600 የነበረው 12060 ብሎ ስለመዘገበው 540 ዲፈረንስ አለ። ይሄ ለስ ኮሬክሽን ኦፍ ቼክስ ኢሹድ እሱን እንቀንሳለን። ሪሞቭል ዳብል ዲፖዚት ኢንትሪ ኢን ትራንዛክሽን ላይ 5500 ሁለት ጊዜ ስለመዘገበው ሪሞቭል ነው። ይሄን ትራንዛክሽን ላይ 5550ውን እንቀንሳል። ዜና ዲቪደንድ ኢንካማችን ትራንዛክሽን 7 6300 አድ እናደርጋለን። ዜን ፋይናሊ አጀስትድ ካሽ ቡክ ባላንስ ቢካምስ 47600 ኦቨርድራፍት። ስለዚህ adjusted cash book balance which is equal to adjusted bank statement balance is a bank break. So our discussion also today is will discussed about bank reconciliation, all about this. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.